Hi everyone, welcome back. In previous lecture we have seen how to use delete statement in SQL to delete the records from a table. In this lecture we are going to use truncate table statement in SQL to delete all the rows from a table. Well, we can use delete statement to delete a specific row or multiple rows or all the rows from a table, but we use truncate table statement in SQL to delete all the rows from a table. We cannot delete a specific row or multiple rows by using truncate table statement. We use truncate table statement to delete all the rows from a table. Okay, so in order to demonstrate the usage of truncate table statement, go to the MySQL Workbench, and here we have already deleted all the records from my employees table by using delete statement. So let us quickly insert the records into employees table over here. So here we have an insert into statement to insert the sample data. So just select this insert statement and just execute it. And in order to view the data, just execute the select statement. Now in a table you can see there are 6 records. Now let us see how to use truncate table statement to delete all the rows from this employees table. So here just type truncate table followed by the name of the table from which you want to delete all the records. And notice here we cannot use the where clause with this truncate table statement, but in case of delete we can use a where clause to specify the condition. Okay, so just remember this important difference. In case of delete statement we can use where clause to specify the condition, based on that it will delete the records, but in case of truncate table statement we cannot specify the where clause. This truncate table statement delete all the records from a table. Okay, so here in order to execute this truncate table statement, just select it, click on execute button, and in order to verify the result, just execute the select star from employees query, and there we go. You can see the result set is empty. It means all the rows are successfully deleted by using this truncate table statement. Now you may have a question like, we can use the delete statement to delete all the records from a table, and we can also use the truncate table statement to remove all the records from a table. Then what is the difference between delete and truncate? Well, if you can notice the SQL queries, we can use delete statement to delete a specific row or a multiple rows or all the rows from a table, but in case of truncate table removes all the records from a table. We cannot use a where clause to add a condition with truncate table statement. So this is the main difference. Okay, next key difference is the delete statement is logged for each row deleted, which means it can be rollbacked. Well, in case of delete statement, the system logs the information about each row before deleting it so that it can be rollbacked later. But in case of truncate table statement, the rows are not logged, hence it cannot be rollbacked later. So most of the databases does not support the rollback operation in truncate table statement. So this is the another key difference. Now you may have a question like, when to use delete and truncate commands. Well, you can use delete when you want to delete a specific rows. You can use delete when you need to use a where clause to filter the rows. You can use delete when you want to keep the operations logged for potential rollback. You can use delete when you need to trigger actions with trigger. Next, you can use truncate when you want to delete all the rows in a table quickly. You can use truncate when you don't need to filter the rows. You can use truncate when you want faster operation and don't need to roll back it later. You can use truncate when you don't need triggers to be executed. Now you may have a question like, in terms of performance, which command should I use to delete all the records from a table? Either should I use delete command to delete all the records from a table, or should I use a truncate command to delete all the records from a table? Well, the truncate command is quite faster than delete because it does not log each row deletion. Whenever you want to delete all the records from a table quickly and efficiently, then go ahead and use truncate. It improves quite performance because it does not log any row deletion.